morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and today's shout out goes to Justin Greenwood. Justin was first to say first in one of my recent videos, and thus was the shout out, so congratulations. Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and how do you like my shirt today, folks? I got something a little different for you for today, folks. This is the DEERC monster truck. Looking at this thing, you can see it's huge. It's 1/6 scale. Okay, that's kind of unusual for RC cars, but it's what it is. But let's keep in mind, this is mainly for kids, folks. Okay, this is not a hobby grade RC car by any means. Okay, it's mostly plastic and meant strictly for kids. Additionally, it's not four-wheel drive, even though it's a truckie. These front wheels are free spinning. The power of this is in the back here. There's a brush motor in the back that powers the rear two wheels on this. Now it has some features that kids would like, including sound effects, motor sound effects, and also sound effects when you go forward or backward. There's the motor sound. Also, it lights up. Okay, the headlights light up. And when it backs up, I think it goes beep, beep, beep. So it has those sound effects there. So other things about it, I mentioned that working headlights. It's powered by a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery. It's actually two 18650 lithium ions paired up in series with a proprietary connector, unfortunately, folks. So, which means additional batteries for this I don't think are available. You're going to have to, wire up your own with those two 18650s if you want additional batteries. Now, it is splash resistant, the electronics in it, because looking at this, everything is encased in the undercarriage here. And notice in that undercarriage, there's a lot of clearance. So this can go over pretty big obstacles. And we'll try to demonstrate that when we take it out for a drive. It's test drive. That's the other things about it. Being huge like this, shipping would be a problem if you'd ship this all assembled at this size. So this does come unassembled. It's going to require some assembly. It took me about 20 minutes to put it together, but keep that in mind. You are going to have to put it together. So the kids might be a little disappointed pulling it out of the box. It's not ready to go. You're going to have to spend 20 minutes to half hour to put it together. Let's think. Other things about it. Its range on this is limited. Again, it's a toy car. The range on this is about 50 meters, which is pretty good. It's for an RC car, that is 50 meters pretty good, which is about 164 feet. Additionally, the steering on this and the throttle on this, they're not proportional steering, and it's not proportional throttle. It's either full forward, full back, or full right, full left. But you'll see, it is kind of easy to operate, even though it's not proportional steering, because these don't really twist in a big way that'll cause this car to flip over. You'll see when we go flying, or not flying, but driving this particular car. Now let's go over what you get in the box with this monster truck. You get the truck and its components to put it together. You get that 18650 battery, which is already installed in this. You get a charger for that 18650, and there's that proprietary connector on the front of that. You get the instruction manual, which is reasonably well help to put it together. However, there is also a video by the manufacturer that you'll notice on Amazon that shows how to put this together also. So if you have problems reading the instructions how to put it together, just watch the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. And you get the controller. So that's what comes with a DEERC monster truck. Let's take it for a test drive, folks. Oh, I forgot to mention, look at this carrying cage on the top of this thing. Supposedly you could carry about 500 kilograms. What is that? A little over a pound. So you can put a camera on here if you want, a big camera. So let's take it for a test drive, folks, and see how it drives. Hope you enjoy this test drive. Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and welcome to the beach for the test drive of the DEERC monster truck, 1/6 scale monster truck. I went to see if this can drive on sand, folks. It says it's all, weather splash proof and all that stuff, so it should be able to drive on sand easily. So let's see if it can. So giving it throttle. So see, this isn't a fast truck. It's meant for kids. Kind of fun, but not fast by any means. Let's see if we can climb. No, that's about it, folks. Okay. So going forward again. So
pretty easy to drive by most kids, I would say. Most kids should be easily able to drive this because it is not fast by any means. Meant for kids. Let's take it down by the water. Not into the water. Going over rough terrain there. Going around, going around. Don't go into the water. No, no, no. We don't want that. Turning it around and going forward again. So, yeah, this is probably indoor driving, in your lawn or front lawn driving, on your front street driving, but not super powerful as you can see here. Not meant to be. Again, beginners, first truck, first RC vehicle. But it is going on sand, I'll give you that. It's kind of soft sand, but it's not heavy, so it's easily able to do it. Let's see it go over that obstacle there. Kaboom. Coming around. So again, it's not proportional steering, but you don't need it at this speed. Bumpity, bumpity. Oh. Beep, beep. Going around. It's actually doing the job. Let's see if we can go up that little hill there. Let's see when it starts to slip here. Trying. And its wheels are spinning, so no, that's about it. Coming back down the hill. Going forward again. Let's test its range. We're going to drive it down the beach here. See how far we can go before we lose connection. Now I said 50 meters. We're about 20 right there. It's still going. Still going down that beach. We're about 50 meters right there, folks. So surprisingly enough, I guess the range is greater than 50 meters. I'm guessing, I don't know, 60 meters there. See if I can bring it back from way over there. I'm not going to keep going to a loose connection because I don't want to go walking down to it. I'm lazy. But I'm bringing it back from way over there. So yeah, it's got good range. Surprisingly good range. Okay, I'm about done testing it on sand. I'm going to take it home, folks, and next we're going to try it on pavement and then try it on grass. See how it does there. I got really rough grass in my yard, so we'll see how well it does. So let's bring it back. Coming back to us. The monster truck from DEERC. Pretty cool. I like it. Beep, beep, beep. Turn to the right. Kids should have no problems at all driving this. But again, it is meant for kids. This old man's having no problems at all driving it. Whee! That's its top speed, folks. Fun. Okay, let's take it on to this pavement next. So I hope you enjoy the second part of this test drive. Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and welcome to the test drive of the DEERC monster truck on asphalt. Okay, turn this on. We're going to throw the on-off switch and put it on the ground and turn on the controller. And once it's connected, we hear the motor running and giving it some throttle. Yeah, on asphalt, it works a lot better than on sand, of course. By the way, how do you like my crab apple tree there? It's pretty in spring. Okay, running it around, going over that obstacle there, crunches it. Let's see if we can go down the sidewalk. Can I keep it on the sidewalk? Yeah, sure, no problem. Coming around, coming back up the sidewalk again. So yeah, this is working pretty good on asphalt. So if you got your front street and it's not too busy, take it out there and have fun. Let's do figure eights. Working well out here. Going across the street here in the cul-de-sac. Running well. Let's see about it on grass. Let's take it on this thick grass of mine. Oh man, that grass is real thick, folks. I can't believe it's actually going through it. It's having a problem. The grass might be a little too thick for it. Trying to. Let's back. See if I can back out of it. Let's see if I can back out of that grass. Now I haven't cut this grass in, I don't know, 10 days. It's been raining here, folks. A whole week of rain. What was that called? The Omega pattern? Rain, rain every day. But yeah, this is working well. Gonna go up my driveway. Let's find out. Oh yeah, no problem at all climbing my driveway. No problem at all. Coming right back down again. Vroom. So yeah, nice and safe speed. You don't want to go any faster with this car, I guess, especially for kids. This is a perfect speed. You're not going to get hurt with this. It's all plastic. It's not really heavy at all. It's very lightweight because of it being all plastic. So in fact, I'm going to crash into myself. Full speed. Oh no, nah, you're not going to get hurt with this thing. Not at all. Now some of those hobby grades, yeah. But this thing, no. There's not any momentum in this at all. Perfect for kids. So yeah. Going down the track one more time. Through the grass one more time. We're going to call it quits here, folks. So that's the monster truck on asphalt. Great car. I like it. So hope you enjoyed this test drive. It's Quadcopter 101. Signing out.
Hi, Quadcopter 101 here again. Hey, if you want to get your own shout out in one of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's real simple. Just go to my channel page and click on that subscribe. And also make sure to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I release a brand new video immediately and give you a chance to get that first shout out. So give it a try, folks.